Hey, this is Brad with Lookmold.com, and I got a big problem. I got mold on my pants. But good news, I'm going to show you how to remove mold on clothes. And then I'm going to show you when the clothes actually need to be discarded. So keep watching, but before we get started, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button, let me know you like this video as it will greatly help me be seen on YouTube. And also hit that subscribe button and the bell button to get updated every time we put out a new video. Now as you can see, I got mold on my pants, and I got it in the attic space climbing over HVAC ductwork. There's mold on the outside of that, which is not the end of the world in regards to mold in the house, but it is mold that's now on my pants. And this is what it looked like when I got down from that attic space. As you can see, I had a lot of mold on my pants. So what I did was I got myself a laundry additive, EC3, and the reason why I picked this particular product was for one ingredient, and that ingredient is tea tree oil. Now tea tree oil has antimicrobial qualities, and it's a great way to kill mold without any kind of harsh chemicals or anything like that. So I filled up 1 cup in a measuring cup of this additive. I put it into the laundry. I added the EC3 in there, and then I went ahead and also put in regular detergent. And then I would just go ahead and turn the machine on. I use regular warm water, and I let it run. And this is what it looked like when it was done washing. It was brand new. As you can see, there was no mold on the pants. It did a great job. And this is what it looked like when I put it on the ground, to give you just a better idea of the pants. They were just super clean. You don't see really any stains at all. So there's your secret ingredient, is tea tree oil. But you can't just throw it on mold if it's actively growing on your clothes. You see, if I had some kind of flood where those pants were actually producing mold growth, that's something you'd want to discard. The thing was, I just had mold on the surface of those pants from rubbing on the HVAC ductwork. And that's it. That's how you remove mold from clothes. Thank you for watching the short video, and go to lookmold.com for more information. I also put a link for a full-fledged guide on how to remove mold from clothes.